We got called by a client about an issue with a raccoon in her attic. We came out to see another company that installed a door, a one-way door, and put up the screening, but they did not use the best door. It's broken. A raccoon can easily put its claws in there and open it up. They attached it with some zip ties. Just a terrible job. Now we're gonna fix the problem, put an R108. Alright, we're back. We've used way more material to cover a larger portion, and we've installed an R108 raccoon one-way door made out of plastic body and plexiglass door. This is how it should be.